So the physical intervention will be the last solution for aggressive behavior problem. So we will try the low arousal first, and also lastly on physical intervention if the aggression evaluate. Okay, so only use physical intervention that is just enough. You don't want to cause further harm or further uh, problem later. It's just enough. So that's the question. If you are the parents of the child, would you do the same to them? That is a question you must ask yourself every time when you want to do a physical intervention. Or do they be too much, or do it cause a lot of damage for the kids and also the service provider? All right. So the physical interventions are to protect or prevent further harm to both service provider and the kids. Let's try and see whether I have. Let me see. No. Wait, try and find the video for you. Okay, this is biting. That's common, right? When they start to bite you when they get frustrated. Any one of you is actually having a partners and you're practicing? Okay. Give you another one. Okay, this one.
You can see the answer from the chat box, right?
Yeah, no.
There are some answer from I never experienced this from Ila, from Mr. Suresh, difficult to practice, from Miss Feifei, no. What else from Zahir, how to unmute?
How to what?
Actually, you cannot unmute.
Anyhow, okay. I know sometimes it's very difficult to practice, but you see, it doesn't happen like, I mean, inside the video, it's very slow motion lah. But actually, in fact, when it really, really happen on the spot, right? You need you need to do a lot of practice so that you can have a reflex on it. So it's also very, very important for you guys to occasionally practice lah. If your son or your daughter or whoever that you're caretaking in, having a little bit of that kind of issue. Okay, this one is talking about how to release your clothing.
Immediately stabilize your clothing. Grasp the person's wrist. Remove your clothing from the grasp with the pull away. Between the thumb or palm, the clothing in one direction, the hand in the opposite direction.
So that is clothing release. You know, sometimes when they get angry and they will grab whatever in front of you, that's the time for you to how to get yourself away, to actually prevent get more angry later. Especially for adults, it's very important as well. You release yourself, but doesn't mean that you run away. If not, he will chase after you. Yeah. This one is talking about hair pulling. How about when they pull your hair in your front hair?
Rest. When
Okay. You see, sometimes I understand it's quite difficult to do it when you are alone. So, so usually you need to call for help. You definitely need to call for help.